Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating titanium ore once hard mode begins. Focus on cavern layers where it spawns. Once found, mine with a high-power pickaxe and immediately smelt ore into bars at a furnace because bars are what you need for crafting. Make sure you have an anvil available nearby. An iron or lead anvil works fine. You should aim to stock 30 to 60 titanium bars depending on whether you plan armor, tools, or accessories, so plan runs accordingly. You craft at the anvil. Prioritize what you need. Pickaxe or sword first if mobility matters, armor first if survival is the issue. Once done, assemble each item by placing the correct bar count into the crafting grid. Recognize that tools and weapons use fewer bars than full armor sets. After crafting, immediately check modifiers and reforge options to improve stats, and make sure to save spare bars for reforging attempts or replacement parts. You finish by equipping and testing your titanium gear in realistic conditions. Fight a few enemies or mine an ore vein to measure performance. If something feels off, reforge tools and weapons at the Goblin Tinkerer to target speed, damage, or pickaxe power. Reserve some bars for repeated reforges. If crafting fails, make sure you use titanium bars rather than raw ore and that an iron or lead anvil is present. Finally, if ores aren't spawning, explore deeper hard mode caverns to continue progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.